Starting meditation can be quite challenging for beginners. Initially, it feels unfamiliar, awkward, and uncomfortable to sit still and engage in seemingly doing nothing. Thoughts tend to scatter, leaving you wondering about the correctness and purpose of the practice. Embarking on the journey of meditation is simultaneously simple and complex. While the concept itself is straightforward, the actual practice often proves challenging to initiate and sustain over time. So, what exactly does meditation entail? At its core, meditation involves sustained focus on a chosen object or thought for a specific duration. Derived from the Latin word meditatio, meaning to contemplate, meditation paradoxically involves a practice of silence, being, and observing one's thoughts and emotions. Essentially, meditation encourages redirecting attention inward, away from external distractions, to observe the inner workings of the mind. This could involve thoughts, emotions, life challenges, or cultivating qualities like love and compassion. Particularly in mindfulness practices, various meditation techniques exist, each rooted in different traditions and philosophies, offering diverse approaches to this ancient practice. The benefits of meditation are numerous. Many people who practice it aim to find more peace and balance in their lives. Moreover, meditation helps reduce stress, improve emotional stability, nurture compassion, enhance concentration, strengthen the immune system, decrease fear, lower blood pressure, and encourage better sleep quality. Sometimes meditation can feel challenging, frustrating, awkward, not enjoyable, uncomfortable, or unfamiliar. To aid beginners in their meditation journey, here's a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Starting point. Begin your journey from where you are. Embark on your meditation journey without any prerequisites. Understand that meditation doesn't demand a silent environment, a specific posture, or a quiet mind. You're encouraged to start exactly as you are, without any expectations or requirements. Simply allow yourself to engage with the practice from your current state of being. Step 2. Guided assistance. Seek guidance for a smooth start. Recognize that meditation can be challenging, especially for beginners, without proper direction. Consider utilizing resources such as meditation courses, apps, or guided sessions to facilitate a smoother entry into the practice. These resources provide structured support, making it easier to focus your attention and navigate the meditative experience. Step 3. Creating a space. Craft a tranquil meditation environment. To create a peaceful meditation space, it's important to find a quiet and comfortable area where you won't be disturbed. Avoid using places where you typically work or engage in other activities, as your mind may associate them with busyness. Instead, designate a separate room if possible, or section off a peaceful corner. By choosing a serene environment free from distractions, you can enhance your meditation experience and foster a deeper sense of relaxation and focus. Step 4. Comfortable posture. Find your ideal meditation position. Experiment with different postures to identify one that promotes comfort and stability during meditation. You will notice that your physical body is one of the biggest obstacles, so a comfortable meditation position is important. If you're not comfortable, distractions can easily creep in. You might feel tingling or numbness in certain body parts, experience back pain, or feel pressure on your knees. Sometimes, you might even feel itchy in odd places, or notice subtle movements like your heartbeat. These sensations are normal, but they can pull your focus away from meditation. The more your body distracts you, the harder it is to concentrate. That's why finding a comfortable position is key. For instance, sitting cross-legged could work well. If that's not comfortable, you can try using a meditation cushion or bench for extra support. Step 5. Starting small. Commence with short sessions. The longer you meditate, the more challenging it can become, so it's best to start with shorter sessions. Begin with just 2 to 5 minutes of meditation. If you find you can do that consistently, then you can gradually increase the time to 10 minutes. Our minds are accustomed to constant activity and thought. For beginners, sitting still for even just half an hour of meditation can feel like a lot. So, it's important to start small and gradually increase the duration until you reach your desired number of minutes. Step 6. Focus on breathing. Center your attention on the breath. There are many different types of meditation practices out there. When you're just starting out, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. My suggestion is to keep it simple, especially at the beginning. Start by focusing on your breath. Just pay attention to the natural rhythm of your inhales and exhales. Keep your focus on the breath and try to follow its movement through your body. Step 7. Addressing distractions, release tensions, and disturbing thoughts. Acknowledge and gently release any physical sensations, mental chatter, or emotional fluctuations that arise during meditation. Instead of pushing them away, just acknowledge them briefly. Then gently bring your attention back to your breath or whatever you're focusing on. This helps you stay open-minded and strong when distractions pop up. Step 8. Post-meditation reflection. Pause and reflect before resuming. After you've finished meditating, don't rush off right away. Take a moment to appreciate the calm and mental clarity you've achieved. At the end of my meditation sessions, I like to think about things I'm thankful for or imagine important moments in my life. It's a nice way to end the practice and carry that peaceful feeling with you throughout the day. Step 9. Establishing a routine. Incorporate meditation into your daily schedule. Make meditation a consistent part of your daily routine by scheduling regular practice sessions. Treat these sessions as non-negotiable appointments with yourself, prioritizing your mental and emotional well-being. Just like your house becomes a mess if you don't tidy it up, your brain also becomes a mess if you don't meditate. Consistency is key to experiencing the cumulative benefits of meditation over time. Step 10. Self-forgiveness. It's okay to miss a session. Even if you're committed to meditating every day, there will be times when you can't make it happen. And that's totally fine. Forgive yourself for missing a session, and when you're ready, simply start again. Step 11. Exploring further. Expand your meditation practice gradually. Once you've established a consistent meditation routine, consider exploring additional techniques or deepening your practice. Explore advanced meditation methods, specialized programs, or longer session durations as you feel ready. Allow your practice to evolve organically, expanding in alignment with your personal growth and exploration. Step 12. Integration of benefits. Embrace meditation's impact beyond the cushion. While meditating at home is enjoyable, it's important to feel the benefits beyond your practice. Carry the mental calm and freedom you experience into the rest of your day. It's not helpful to meditate if you still react strongly to stressful situations, like getting cut off in traffic. Aim to weave the benefits of meditation into your daily life and savor them. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore about trauma healing and the danger of meditation. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more insightful content.